drop-down menu in InDesign, there are a few things that you can do when you have an object selected. You can go in and transform that object doing multiple things such as move, scale, rotate, or flip. You can rearrange them so they go in a different stacking order. So if you have a dark object and white text, you might want to put the text in the front, bring to front, or bring forward. With multiple objects, you can group or ungroup them if you want to move them around your page simultaneously. You can create QR codes for quick website access. You can use text frame options, which is a popular option in finessing your type. You can choose the number of columns, the gutter, and the inset spacing, which is kind of like the margin within a text box. You can also assign a vertical justification of top, middle, or bottom, which will float your text differently within the text box. And continuing on, you can do other things such as effects, making a drop shadow or a feather to an object, changing the corner options. If you have a rectangle and you wanted rounded corners on that rectangle, you could pick your corner options and select which corners you want to change. You can also do things such as a clipping path, which is similar to a mask in Photoshop, but you don't have to go into another program. It's a quick way to see if an idea you have would work out. There's interactivity that you can add under the object menu dropdown, such as a button or radio list, signature field. Paths and Pathfinder are also options within here. If you have a pen tool line that you've created, you can choose to open or close or change, add, subtract, overlap those objects. And finally, you can convert a shape or point. If you have an ellipse and you want to change it to a rectangle without having to delete and redraw it, you can choose that option here.